Done your homework yet?
I might need some help.
What subject?
Irish?
Sure, I never had a word of Irish.
Rich, Michal O'Murrow and Shaw. See you, Rich. Kate Tanshin. As much as Michal. Could you Hannah got him?
Where are you going to? Hello? Huh? Where to? Do you want a ticket or not? What station are you going to?
Born Tariff.
Where?
Born Tariff.
Oh, you're the game goer. I love the Irish, me. Gnuardy and Bower lad and all that. Kate Neal. Balls you, what? Slowly, Bilbo.
Hold on.
What's the story, Murph, huh? Bit early, isn't it?
Again, Tommy a dribblage. A jiggle lord to gart. What's come? I was making Gaelic. Neil Fuckle Bear Logum.
Talk proper, will you, Murph? You scribble the church, but I can be a Select them to break him to the minute.
Is it too right? Stegam Berla. Could you Harley or there? Could you Harley do?
I don't know what's wrong with you, Murph, but you're scaring me. I think you might be possessed. You need to get professional help. I'd like to help you, but I'm not a professional.
Could you tattoo rich? Could you Harley or there?
Devil be gone! The power of Christ compels you. The power of Christ compels you.